Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're putting up a gorgeous hard balloon backdrop and table that's perfect for bridal showers, birthday parties, Galentine's Day or Valentine's Day parties. It's super easy and super cute, both things we're huge fans of here at BalsaCircle. So let's go ahead and get started. For this wall, we're going to be using 16 balloons, and we have here our heart-shaped mylar foil balloon in lavender. There's 2 per pack and they measure 15 by 15 inches. To inflate it, we're using our hand pump. We're not going to need helium since it's just going on the wall. Once it's inflated, the thickness is about 9 inches and it's self-sealing, so you just have to press down on that tail. We're going to tuck that tail in with some glue dots so it looks all neat and cute. Also, once you're done with the setup, keep in mind that these balloons are reusable, which is amazing. Just insert a straw into the valve and squeeze the air out, and do the same thing if you end up using helium. Just store them out of direct sunlight and you can reinflate them and reuse them for another party. Now that our balloon is ready, we're going to add it to the wall. For our DIY, we just used glue dots right in the center, but we found that while they worked okay for this setup, if you want to create this backdrop before an event, make sure that you use something sturdier like double-sided tape, duct tape, or those 3M sticky tabs. And if you're not sure, you can always double up. Once you have the first line of balloons, everything else just falls into place. So we're starting by making sure that first line of 4 balloons is straight. We're also adding a glue dot between each balloon to close any gaps. This step is optional and you can do it at the very end once you're happy with the placement. As I mentioned, once you have one line of balloons done, the rest of the lines are easier to do. And since our table is about 30 inches tall, we want at least that much clearance from the lower balloon line. The grid is about 5 feet by 5 feet, and if you need it taller or wider, obviously just go ahead and add more balloons. We're using a mix of lavender, rose gold, and pink balloons, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So now for our table, we have a blush tablecloth over a polyester tablecloth, and we're adding a vase with pink silk tulips. We're also accenting the table with our 6-inch tall rose gold geometric candle holders, and you can use these with candles like we are here, or you can add your favorite flowers. Of course, we have a plate of cookies. It's Girl Scout season here right now, which is so much fun. So we thought we'd add them to the table, but obviously you can put cupcakes on the table or any other desserts that you want to share and serve to your guests. And more geometric candle holders. These are so cute. Also, if you do make this backdrop for your event or photo booth, make sure that you share it with us either in the comments or you can tag us on Instagram at BalsaCircle so we can find your DIY. Oh, and don't forget the drinks. You can serve your guests with drinks on this gold mirrored geometric tray with glittered champagne flutes. Super cute. And that's it. We are done, and this look is absolutely gorgeous. Again, you can reuse these balloons for another event, so you can recreate this backdrop for a photo booth or cake table for so many events. Be sure to check in the description for the tool list and more videos like this, or if you have any questions, please ask us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.